Hey guys, so today I'm about to make around $70 right now. I'm about to stop this trade right now, and you're gonna be asking, why are you about to stop this trade? Because look at this, there is a resistance right here. You see right here, there is some resistance over here. So it's like, hold on, let's just put it down a bit, around here. Yeah, there's like some resistance. If you see here, it went up. There's like some resistance. If you check over here, there's some resistance. So yeah, I'm about to stop the trade right there. And besides, it went up to like $80. So right now, I'm risking around $40. And usually, when it goes up double on how much I'm risking, like let's say I'm risking 40 and it went up 80. If it goes up 80, then I'm about to do what you call a trend line break. Either a trend line break or I stop the trade. So if you see here, look, I already broke the trend line. Once I saw the $80, I already did the trend line method. It broke, but I think at that time, was I sleeping? Yeah, I was sleeping at that time. Then I just woke up, saw my trade. I'm like, okay, I might stop it right here. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this trade right now. Wait up. If you see right here, hold on, I'm gonna show you. Around like 70 something. I hope you guys see. It's like $75. I'm gonna close the position right now because there's some resistance. And by the way, last Tuesday, I think, around Tuesday, I made $50. So, alright, let's explain. So, these are my strategies. It has to follow all of them. If it follows all of it, then it's a perfect score, perfect trade. So, let's go. Let's see if it's perfect. Boom, liquidity sweep, there is. Look at this. There's a double top, and people will think it's a sell. People would think it's a sell, or some people might buy over here. Either buy or sell. They will buy here. They will buy here. Boom, gets stopped out. Then some people would sell. Boom, then after that, when they sell because there's like a double top. People, they're getting faked out. So once I saw this, I'm like, this is a liquidity sweep. So yeah, we got the liquidity sweep down. Check that real quick. Okay, reversal pattern. Look at this. 4 hour time frame. It was like uptrending. You see, it's uptrending. Uptrending, then it's about to go down. It was downtrending. Then went uptrend again. And you see what I saw? Do you see that? It's a reversed head and shoulders. So it's a reversal pattern. That's a reversal pattern. So yeah, it's a reverse head and shoulders. Yeah. So you see downtrend and uptrend. So yeah, we check that. Reversal pattern check. Now supply and demand. If we check in the 4 hour time frame, we see that there it touches the demand zone right here. So we could check that. Break of structure. There is also a break of structure. Head and shoulders. You see this break over here. I took the trade. The momentum was very big. So yeah, let's check that. Break of structure. Check. And lastly, trend line break. There is higher low, then like wait, higher low, higher low, lower high. See? And yeah, it broke easy. Perfect score. This is why from now on I'm gonna trade something like this. It has to be perfect. And I always followed the trend from the daily time frame. You see in the daily, look, it's uptrending already. See, we were downtrending for months. Then it was about to reverse. We see this higher low. You see this? It was about to go up. Then it created a higher low. So once it created that, all right, I took a buy. Everything's just so perfect. So everything's on check. Oh wait, did I check that already? Hold on. Yeah, I did. All right, so everything's unchecked. And that was I think my second trade, cuz my goal now is like every week I have to make like $80. But my first trade this week was just 50, so I was looking for another trade. Then yeah, I made money again. So it's good. All right, so let's just just erase everything right now. You know, it's just erase everything. Now I don't have to trade. Today's Friday, so I don't have to like look for opportunities later. I'll just look for like next week. Alright. Alright, let's just X this real quick. Alright, so $75. Perfect trade. A plus setup. Perfect score. You know, from now, before I used to not like at least 4 confluences, you know. As long as it follows, like, let's say, reversal pattern, supply and demand, or break of structure, or trendline break. At least for me, before, I would listen to the 4. I don't care about liquidity sweep, but now it has to be perfect. For me personally, it has to be perfect. So right now, you can see it's going up, but I don't care because, again, there's like resistance over here. Unless it gave me another sign that it's about to go up. So yeah, I'll just look at it next week. For now, I am happy. I made around, let's see. Alright. I made $51 last Tuesday, I think. Hold on, calculate. Let's look. Hold on. Oh shit. Calendar. Okay, last Wednesday I made $51. Last Thursday. Then on Friday I made 75. The momentum like was super fast. So 51, alright, it's like 120 something. Hold on, let's go calculate. Right. So oh yeah, and I took a sell over here, but it didn't look good. So I made like $50 over here, somewhere over here. This is my first trade, by the way, from I think from Thursday. It was on Thursday. Yeah, you see here Thursday. From Thursday, I took a buy over here. It went up. Then when it went to like $80, I did a trend line. And there's like some supply here. Then it broke. I got out real quick. So yeah, pretty good trade. And there, I took a sell over here, but I changed my mind. Good thing I changed my mind. I took a sell and I was like, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. And thank God I didn't. I stopped the trade. From now on, I think I should follow on the daily time frame. How it's trending, what it looks right now. So yeah, everything is good. I am so thankful that I made money. So let's say, alright, calculator. So I made 51.34 plus the one I stopped the trade early, 2 plus 2.96 plus $75.50. $129. Hey, $129 in 2 trades in 1 week. Oh no, wait, I took a trade last Thursday, so like 1 week. Yeah, today's Friday, so like yeah, more than a week. 1 week and 1 day. So hey, we made some money. Not freaking bad. I started the trade last Thursday, made money around Wednesday, then made the money again Friday. So hey, you know what? I'm happy. You know, risking $40 to make $129. Hey, not bad. Not freaking bad. So yeah, let's just draw something. Resistance over here, since there's like some resistance. Alright, we're good. This is a good trade. So let's see our profits right now. Let's see if everything's okay. Alright. So I'll talk about June. June was depressing. I'm telling you right now, around June, I could have made, I'm telling you right now, around June, I could have made around $200. But I didn't follow the trend line break, you know, when it goes to like $80. Because again, if I'm risking $40 and it goes up to 80, I always have to do a trend line. And if it breaks the trend line, then I have to, you know, get the money already. You know, take profit. But I didn't listen. I didn't freaking listen. I waited too long and it went to my break even, or I lost money. It was depressing. and I learned my lesson. All right, June was depressing. I don't want to talk about it. You know, that's why I don't share my losses anymore, because it's kind of messing up my mentality. You know, because when I lose, I want to learn and just move on. You know, I don't want to like make a video about me losing. But yeah, that's the reality of trading. But since I have like risk management, I only lose $60. That's like what, less than 2% of my account. So it's okay. But now let's see. So again, we made 54.3. I wrote that, but plus $75. Okay, 54.3 plus 75.50. 75.50. 129.8. A. Not freaking bad. Not freaking bad. Wait, what? Hold on. 50 plus. Okay. 129.8. Alright, let's just change this to buy and buy. Alright, and it's green. We took 3 trades. Alright, then how many trades was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trades. Them. Okay. Alright, then let's calculate all of this stuff. Alright. So 129.8 minus 40. 18 minus 0.20 minus 77.81, then plus 36.9. Hey, I made 42.61. Hey, I'm learning. All right, you know. Hey, we made money. Hey, it's money, baby. You know. Hey, we made some money. No, we just gotta learn little by little. Hold on, let's just change. Let's make it darker a bit. There you go. All right. So we made around 42.61 on July. Hey, you know what? It's less. It's less than Look, on June we lost 60, but we made 42.61. But you know what? I learned my lesson. Yeah. You know, I'm learning a lot in trading, you know, patterns, you know. Yeah, I'm learning a lot of patterns. And some patterns that gurus don't even teach, you know. You gotta learn like, oh wait, it did this pattern before. Let's do it again. Let's see if it happens. And it did. It went up again. So you know what? I'm happy. On August, you know what? I'm gonna be super strict. And right now the market's uptrending. So I'm gonna focus on uptrends. I'm not gonna be focusing on sales unless it shows me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm happy, you know. I'm happy. What now? We have 3 losses. No, 3 wins. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 wins, 4 losses. Hey, you know what? I'm happy because like I'm not blowing out my account. I'm like literally protecting it, and I'm learning so much. I'm on my own, guys. I don't have any mentors to help me. I have no one to help me. I'm on my own. Yeah, and I think August will be a good month. I hope so. All right. Because I'm gonna be very strict. Like it has to follow all of my strategies, and it has to like it has to follow the trend. If it's uptrending the daily or in the 4 hour, I have to buy, strictly buy. If it's downtrending in the daily or in the 4 hour, then I'm gonna sell. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are watching till the end, that's crazy. So yeah, I am so happy right now. See you guys.